Welcome to day 6. Today you're going to write your very first Python program, and we're calling it Hello AI. This is your first real step in talking to your computer. By the end of this lesson, you'll write a short command, and your computer will respond instantly. It's a magical moment for every coder. Let's dive in. Let's start with a question. Why do all programmers begin with a hello world or hello AI? It's a tradition that goes back decades. This little exercise helps you see how code works, how the computer reads what you write and follows your instructions. You type something, Python understands it, and something happens on the screen. That's when the magic begins. Think of it as your first real conversation with your computer. You're no longer just clicking buttons, you're speaking its language. Here's the program you write today. It's just one short line, print, open bracket, quote, hello AI, quote, close bracket. Now, let's say that in plain English, you're telling your computer, please display the message, hello AI, on the screen. That's it. You've just written your first piece of Python code. It might look tiny, but this is a huge step. Your first successful command to a computer. Let's break down what's really happening in that line of code. First, the word print. This is a command. It tells Python, show something on the screen. Think of it as Python's way of speaking out loud. Next, the part in brackets, hello AI, that's your message. The quotation marks tell Python, this is plain text, not code, and the brackets simply hold the message together. When you combine these two parts, the command and the message, Python understands your instruction perfectly and shows it on the screen. That's true communication between human and machine. Now for the fun part. Let's run your program. Step 1. Open your coding tool like Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, or VS Code. Create a new file and type this exact line. Print, open bracket, quote, hello AI, quote, close bracket. Step 2. Press the Run button or use the shortcut Shift+Enter on your keyboard. This tells Python, read what I've written and do it now. Step 3. Watch the magic happen. You'll see the words Hello AI appear right below your code. That means Python received your message and replied exactly as you asked. You've officially started a two-way conversation with your computer, and that's the heart of programming. Now, it's your turn to experiment and have some fun. Try changing the message and see what happens. You could write Hello World or Hello Universe. You could personalize it with your name, Hello Maria or Hello Raj. Or even try Welcome to Python Programming. You can also write in your own language. Python will happily print it. Each time you change the test and run it again, you'll see how the computer follows your instructions exactly. You're not just learning Python, you're learning how to command technology with your words. Brilliant work! You've done it. You've written your first line of Python code. Every great AI engineer, data scientist, and software developer started exactly where you are now with one simple print command. This Hello AI program might be short, but it represents something big. Your first successful interaction with code. In our next lesson, day 7, we'll learn how Python reads your code using comments and indentation, the key to writing clean and readable programs. For now, take a moment to celebrate. You've just begun your journey as a Python and AI programmer. Well done.